Imagine holding a lock of Beethoven's hair, a silent witness to history, passed down for generations. These strands, once mere keepsakes, are now portals to the past. Beethoven's health struggles, deafness, pain, mystery illnesses, have long puzzled historians. Was it lead poisoning, syphilis, something else? The answers weren't in his letters, but in his DNA. Now science acts as a time machine, unlocking secrets hidden for centuries. Researchers gathered authenticated locks of Beethoven's hair, aiming to sequence his genome. Their goal to finally understand the biological forces behind his genius and suffering. The challenge was immense, but the reward, a true portrait of Beethoven, was within reach. Turning Beethoven's hair into a readable genome is a feat of modern science. Scientists meticulously cleaned the hair, removing any trace of modern contamination. They extracted and sequenced millions of tiny DNA fragments, each a piece of Beethoven's genetic puzzle. Advanced computers then compared these fragments to a reference human genome, slowly reconstructing his unique code. It was like assembling a million-piece puzzle with no picture on the box. As the sequence emerged, a new portrait of Beethoven took shape, written in the language of life. The secrets in his hair, silent for centuries, were finally ready to speak. Science had given Beethoven's story a new voice. The past was about to reveal its truth. The results were astonishing. Beethoven's DNA revealed a strong genetic risk for liver disease. Combined with evidence of hepatitis B infection and his drinking, this explained his lifelong pain and failing health. His suffering was a tragic symphony of genes, virus, and lifestyle. But what about his deafness? Scientists found no genetic markers for hearing loss. The cause remains a mystery, perhaps illness, lead poisoning, or something else. Even without a clear answer, the genome ruled out inherited deafness, sharpening the historical mystery. Sometimes science's greatest gift is narrowing the search. Beethoven's DNA didn't solve every riddle, but it brought us closer to the truth. His struggles, once myth, now had a biological context. The man behind the music was more real than ever. Then a twist. Beethoven's Y chromosome didn't match living relatives from his supposed paternal line. Somewhere in the past, a child was fathered by someone outside the official family tree. This extra-pair paternity event rewrites Beethoven's biological origins. The paper records told one story, his DNA told another. It's a reminder that history is messy, and secrets can last centuries. Beethoven's genius remains, but his family story is more complex than anyone knew. Genetics doesn't diminish his legacy, it deepens the intrigue. Even icons have hidden chapters. Why does this matter? Beethoven's genome bridges history, music, and science. It shows how genetics can illuminate the lives of those long gone, making legends more human. Studying ancient DNA helps us understand disease, resilience, and the evolution of health. For music lovers, it adds depth to Beethoven's triumphs. He created beauty while battling immense pain. His story is now richer, more relatable, and more inspiring. Science and art together reveal the full measure of his humanity. And as technology advances, who knows what other whispers from the past we'll finally hear.